Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Bodie and I are going to be showing you how to properly hang race car doors up on shop walls. So without further ado, let's go to step one. Okay, so step one is going to be make sure that they're clean. You don't want to be having doors on your wall that have all this nasty junk on it. You don't want to clean off the war wounds, really. This came off of somebody else's tire. Because, like, that looks cool and stuff. So that door was off an old Highwaller car. If you don't know what the Highwallers were, I put a link in the description for a video about the Highwallers. It's super cool. This is off my dad's old race car. I think that was a late model. And this is off of the street stock that we're using to run this year. But he didn't want red or a number 10 on it, so he just took it off. Okay, so you're gonna need a hose. Okay, now normally you're gonna want to use like an old towel or something, but I could only find these pants, so we're gonna use pants. Now that they're nice and clean, let's take them back to the barn and hang them up on the walls. The next thing you're going to do, just put some nails, put some nails where you want it to go. And because this one has a very nice lip that we can hang it on, it'll just sit there. Yes! And there you have it. And now this shop looks like a lot cooler. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like it and subscribe and stuff.
Unless you hate it.
Yeah, unless you hate it, then don't.
There's another video in this car. Go ahead and watch it, or else I'll come for you. Know where you live.
Alright, that should be like right here, unless I don't figure out how to do it, then it won't be.
Oh.
Yeah.